So XRP absolutely went crazy not too long ago, right? And a lot of analysts out there have some crazy price predictions for the future of XRP on the heels of a lot of institutional money potentially coming in, and certainly on the heels of this next crypto bull run starting, right? Now, it's funny because if you go way back to 2017, 2018, and you look at who were the big winners, not the last bull run, but the bull run before that one, it's crazy because it was XRP. So just maybe XRP could lead this next bull run, and a lot of people think they can. In fact, XRP was above Ethereum's market cap if you go back 6-7 years from now, from today, I mean, and a lot of people think that it could get back there. Now, Ethereum has grown tremendously, but quickly XRP passed the likes of USDC and BNB, which BNB seems to be in a world of trouble right now from a price standpoint, technical standpoint, but that's neither here nor there. XRP is growing. That is the main topic of discussion in this video, and there are some crazy price forecasts. One particular analyst has one that should blow your mind away. We're going to dive into that later on in this video. So here's the thing with XRP. Right now, you've got a ton of institutional money certainly coming in. The retail money has yet to really come back into crypto, let alone really come back into XRP. But I think that pent-up demand will be back, right? I think once we kind of get inflation fully under control, recession fears are squashed, money will come back into the markets. And let's just call it what it is. When they flip the switch and turn the money printer back on, people are going to have more money in their pockets. But they've got to tame inflation before then. Even with all of the craziness that's been happening, though, XRP managed to go up 95% in the matter of like 5 or 6 hours, which is insane, right? Now, a lot of that, I think, was institutional money. A lot of that was probably money that was already in the market, right? Kind of resurfaced money, if you will. However, new money will be coming, and I think a lot of this new money will come into XRP. So that's why we're getting some of these crazy price predictions that are out there for XRP. So let's dive into this a little bit deeper. This crypto analyst is forecasting XRP to surge to $11. Says a $1.5 trillion market cap is possible. Now, let's quickly do the math here. $1.5 trillion market cap. Now, the entire cryptocurrency market is $1.2 trillion. So on the surface, this sounds like an outlandish statement. But why is it not as outlandish as some would think? Well, a couple reasons. One of the big things that XRP could see is huge adoption from major banks. Over 4,000 banks out there, potential clients of XRP, of Ripple really, right? How about all the credit unions out there as well? Now, am I saying XRP is going to get to a $1.5 trillion market cap tomorrow? No. We're currently at a $40 billion market cap, but $1 trillion is not that far away, right? I mean, it's just a little bit more than 100%, 120%, give or take, right? So getting to a $1.5 trillion market cap sounds outlandish because it's bigger than the overall market cap in general, but not really, right? Some say that XRP could soon surpass Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And that might sound outlandish, but the potential here that XRP has is unlike any other potential other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion. In my opinion, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP as kind of the predominant cryptocurrencies in our market space right now, right? Then everything else comes after. With the recent news of XRP basically somewhat defeating the SEC, it's opened the door for some huge numbers and some huge possibilities. And that's why we're getting these price targets. So AJ from BitBoy's crypto channel projects XRP's price post-SEC lawsuit victory somewhere between $6 and $11 by the 2025 bull run. So that doesn't sound too crazy to me, honestly. Considering that we got XRP up there, over $3 in its all-time high, by 2025, I certainly think XRP could get up to $6. I think that's a pretty good estimate, a pretty good conservative estimate. That's more than a 6x away from here. $10 doesn't seem out of the realm of possibility, considering, again, a lot of these cryptos are 10x away from their all-time high. I could see that as a possibility for XRP, right? Now, we're going to get back into this price forecast in just a minute. I do want to take you inside the sponsor of today's video, and it's Cryptonomy. So Cryptonomy is a Web3 focused platform that allows you to invest in companies early. They're really geared toward the big time VC investors, but everybody has an opportunity to get in early to these if these are some projects that you want to get into. They were really early to a lot of huge gaming projects, guys, and I'm actually accruing some interest with them right now. So I've been kind of using their platform since May, I believe. Yeah, I think early May is when I first started to kind of use their platform. Actually, late May. May 20th was my first deposit here. Bought some XRP, some Doge, some SHIB, some BUSD, and some BTC, and was staking that over there and earning some passive income through their APY. What they do is they take a pool of money and they invest early into these projects. So there were some actually big winners on here that I invested in. Tenet was one of them. PodFast, which was another one, an AI podcasting company. A lot of great companies in the gaming sector that they deal with. And basically, I want to take you into the flexible staking section first. So like right now, I'm earning 24% on my APY on Bitcoin, which is amazing, 26% on my BNB. And yes, they are backed. They're federally insured, which is a huge, huge deal. You want to make sure that that's something you look for in these companies. By the way, the links are down below in the description if you're interested in checking them out. But I really want to show you today is their launch pool. So this is new. This is a new side of their website. So you can go ahead and create a contract here. And what this does is you basically take some money and you get ready for some upcoming launches. So these are past events. That Karate Combat was one of theirs. They had a nice return on that of 6x. There's Tenet. They had a 14x return on Tenet. These are some of what they did. Rejuve AI, I invested in that one. They 10x'd. And you can essentially invest with them, and they will kind of take it from there for you, right? So it's an opportunity to invest in some projects early. So with this new launch pool, so after you create a contract, which is this green button right here, after you create that contract, what happens is one of their traders and analysts will get in touch with you. They will discuss which events will be utilized under that contract, what upcoming cryptos you want to get into, and it's personalized communication. And then you can express your preferences regarding the desired outcome and time frame that you want to abide by. And their team will then tailor the contract accordingly to accommodate these preferences. So it's really, really interesting. It's an opportunity to get into a lot of these projects early through their launch pool. And you can see that I've got one actually active right now. And if you refresh this, it should be active. I went ahead and actually started a contract right now because I'm interested in some of the upcoming events here. So check it out. All the links down below in the description. And there it is right there. There's the crypto deposit that came in right there. And so I'm going to be deploying some of this USDT to some of these upcoming projects. Now, back to XRP, guys. So again, all those links down below in the description. Now, BitBoy's put his price target out. A lot of people have similar price targets here. A brief overview of XRP's origins. Now, it launched in 2012, pre-mined supply of 100 billion coins. They noted that rather than relying on traditional consensus mechanisms, XRP utilizes what's called the XRP Ledger consensus protocol. Through this unique node list, XRP's approach allows validators to then achieve consensus by agreeing or disagreeing, comparing blocks every 3 to 6 seconds. Now, some argue XRP is already deflationary. Others contend that due to the small number of coins destroyed from transactions, the negligible percentage of destruction makes the deflationary point kind of irrelevant. But instead, many people will say that XRP's tokenomics, just in general, lean towards an inflationary model with an escrow program that releases 55 billion XRP gradually. So again, XRP's all-time high, $3.29, way back before the lawsuit started, January 2018, with a slightly over 38.7 billion circulating supply and impressive market cap of 130 billion at that time. You would think that we could get to $1 trillion market cap in this next bull cycle, right? XRP would have to surpass the 130 billion to regain its previous peak market cap, meaning over 90 billion must be added to its current market cap right now. As currently constructed, we sit at about a $40 billion market cap. So I do think, these price predictions out there, some of them outlandish, people who say $40 per XRP, that's going to be a little bit more difficult, right? But to say that XRP could potentially get to $10, $11, it's a little crazy, but not too crazy considering the amount of money that could come into XRP given the banks and credit unions and the big institutions that could come in here as we move along closer and get closer into this next bull cycle. So we'll be keeping tabs on it for you guys, and appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you think about all this down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.